Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to share a folder or drive on Windows 10 or 11 for other computers. So the first thing you need to do is to open this PC, I'll see from here, or any file explorer. So I will open this PC. After that, if you want to share any of these drives, you need to right click it. After that, you need to go to the properties option, I'll see from here. Just hit on properties. Then you will see the sharing section, I'll see from here. You need to click on it. Then hit on advanced sharing, see from here. Now you need to check the box that says share this folder. Just click on the box, and now you can give permissions by clicking on the permissions button. From here there's a lot of permissions that you can do. So there's a permission to add people or users, so you can just click on add, and from here you can add users to your sharing folder. Also, you can remove people that you have added by clicking on the remove button. So there's actually 3 permissions you can give to people. There's the full control, as see from here. There's the change, and there's the read. So after you have changed the rules or permissions, you can just hit on apply and OK, as see from here. Now you can just hit yes to follow the prompts. If you want to share some folder, like I have this games folder, if I want to just share it, you can just right click it. You can just right click it and go to the properties, as see from here. Now you can go to the sharing option, as see from here. There's the sharing path, as see from here. Here's the network path. After that, you will see the advanced sharing option. You can click on it and you can check the share this folder box. Now, the same as the drive, you will have the permissions option. You can do the same things that we have done to the drive options. After you have done manipulating your permissions, you can hit on OK. Then hit OK and close the properties. Now this file is being shared. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.